Are you a beginner in the world of photography? Do you want to capture stunning moments and memories with your own camera? Well, you've come to the right place. In this Ultimate Beginner's Guide, we'll help you choose the perfect camera that suits your needs and preferences. First, let's talk about the types of cameras available. There are mainly three options: DSLR, mirrorless, and compact cameras. DSLRs provide great image quality and flexibility, while mirrorless cameras are more compact and offer advanced features. Compact cameras, on the other hand, are small and easy to carry around. Next, you need to consider your budget. Cameras come at various price points, so it's essential to set a budget that works for you. Keep in mind that investing in quality equipment is crucial for better results in the long run. Now, think about what you want to shoot. Are you interested in landscapes, portraits, or wildlife? Different camera models have different capabilities and lens options, so choose one that aligns with your photography interests. Another important factor to consider is the camera's sensor size. A larger sensor generally produces better image quality with improved low-light performance. So, if you're looking for professional-looking photos, go for a camera with a larger sensor. Lastly, don't forget about the additional accessories. Things like lenses, tripods, and memory cards can greatly enhance your photography experience. Make sure to budget for these extras when choosing your perfect camera. And there you have it. By following these tips, you'll be able to find the perfect camera for your photography journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this.